day, they were all a bit zany. 40 years later, rockin' Dick Cheney. Save the world, don't serve your country. Welcome y'all to the Wounded Disney. Mind graffiti floating on death row. Ward caught doing Zen using Demerol. Third Gulf War, no need to be invented. We don't play Republican radio. Home front needs another boost. Kentucky Fried Chicken coming home to roost. Gangster rappers rule, Panthers on their knees. Ronald McReagan's Space Royale with cheese.
Always got to be the best. An allergy for the U.S. This is our funky test.
The NSA is watching porn to be alive. Didn't I tell you mine? That ain't no describe. Thanks to God, ow, and the internet connection, we can all be part of the virtual resurrection.
Download 81, Bougie de la Borgia, hard as steel, and James getting harder. The devil made me do it. America is waiting, forget about the energy. Rockstar serve the monarchy, take you to the wild places. Warhol 65, like the sound of music. I love the sound of Mr. Glass. Last night I tipped my hat to the devil and said no more. Shut up, I'm loading. You want to get personal, but you don't know how. You are full of spam, Saddam and the ants. Log in and deliver the word. Microsoft Unification Church, looking like Mooney and George Clooney. A technified race for a bureaucratic future. CIA, BC, easy as 1, 2, 3. Don't rate me, myself, and I. Gobba, gobba, hey, hey, we're glad to be gay. But what are you doing about Guantanamo Bay?
For the U.S. They always got to be the best.